Hi, today I'm going to talk about the Tencent Cloud Workload Protection Solutions. So first of all, what's Cloud Workload Protection? I would say that it's as simple as we bring the ample protection solutions and enhance it by using advanced technologies and make it cloud native, right, to make it used for protecting those cloud workloads. For example, those like containers, those OS, Linux, the Windows that are sitting on, for example, Tencent Cloud, right? So this is an analogy that we usually use to explain to our client to make sure that they have a full awareness what kind of technology that they're using, because we need to install the agent, right, usually on their OS or Linux on the cloud, similar to those Apple protection solutions that they're using for their PC, for their mobile phones as of now, right? So in terms of the use cases that it supports, mainly three, right? The public cloud, private cloud, and a hybrid cloud. The installation is relatively simple. For those on the public cloud, that you can just leverage on our CWP, the Cloud Workload Protection Server, and we have to do it just with a few clicks of the button. You can get this agent installed onto each of your cloud workloads. And for the private cloud, we allow those CWP servers to be installed onto your DC to make everything self-governed for your own environment, right? And in terms of the featured overviews over here, right? So it's no different than other like agent-based protection solutions over here. So we need to install the agents on the workload to fully understand what kind of workload it is, what kind of application it is, right? We know the inside out whether if there's any like an authorized user being logged in, so we can check with for example audit log, audit trail, and also what kind of application, whether it's a web application, whether it is a customized application, whether it's just a database. And we're going to constantly communicating with the cloud-based server, just in case any, for example, zero-day being detected. We can use the machine learning AI to detect them very easily, leverage on the big data analytics platform. And also we can give back a full awareness or the visibilities to the users by telling them that what is the overall security rating or scoring of the particular host or particular workload. I mean, what kind of pods and processes are running. And also from the defense perspective, of course, we can detect any malicious file that's being running, being downloaded, and also we can detect those, for example, brute forcing, and also we can know that whether there's any activities, malicious activities like account takeovers, and also whether there's any like reverse shell being activated. And also from a vulnerability detection perspective, that we can tell that hey, whether there's a vulnerabilities that is detected on, for example, on your web app, OS, right? And also you can set your own baselining. Then the baselining will be checked, for example, on a daily basis, on a weekly basis. We will do the benchmarking to tell you immediately if there's any non-compliance. And last but not least, from the operations perspective, we give back, for example, all those like security traffic logs, and also we can make sure that the web page is tamper-proof, even though it's changed, that we can easily get it restored, right? And also, right, from those intrusion protection perspective, right, we give the last resort of protection, because it's the agent setting up the defense and the goal lines, right, on the back end, right, to secure your workload. So that's all for my introduction. Hope it's helpful. Thank you very much.